28 degrees. It's 5:30 and it's 28 degrees. Oh my god. Hi! Oh. Ignore the state of me. I just got out of bed. But look at the weather today. But it's literally 26 degrees. 26 degrees. Sorry, are we in Spain? Actually, I will be going outside and sunbathing. I'm hoping the sun might help my skin a bit. It's a little bit better today, but yeah, not too great, not too great. Got my towel on, my water bottle. Got to stay hydrated. I am only getting out of bed at 1:30 to go sit in the garden. But it's Corona time, doesn't matter. Time means nothing. If I don't get a tan, I'm going to be fuming. It's not for you. Not for you. Lovely view. At least it's sunny. It's lockdown, so naturally I have not shaved my legs in weeks. Oopsie. Literally been outside for 2 minutes. I'm already sweating buckets. I don't know if I can stay up here. But I need a tan. I literally just have to come inside. I literally was going to pass out. Look how red my face is. Don't think sunbathing in 26 degrees heat is for me. Did I tan? Did I burn? Okay, I just showered. I do have a towel on. I just got a shower. I literally thought I was going to faint in the shower as well. I think I've got heat stroke. I was out there for an hour. I was drinking water. Anyway, I think we live like right by the beach. So I think we're going to go watch the sunset and have food on the beach. So just going to get ready. Oh, I literally just absolutely covered myself in this after sun. It just smells of holidays. Just holidays and sunshine. It's so good. I want to go on holiday. Oh, I can't wait to get my hair done. What a mess. What a mess. So I think we're just gonna go have like a barbecue on the beach, something. Because we literally live like a 5-minute walk to the beach, so watch the sunset. It's actually too hot. Drying my hair, absolute nightmare. My head is massive. I'm gonna try to do one of them transitions. Ready? Did it work? I don't know. Did it work? I don't know. Literally, I kind of caught a tan. I look like a squashy, but it's something. Better than nothing, I guess. Will it be cold on the beach? It's boiling, but I feel like once the sun goes down, it might be a bit cold. I'm gonna get a jacket. I feel like that'll be better. And if I'm hot, I just take it off. I love this. ASOS. Stunning. Stunning. It is just so strange now how, like, because of lockdown, even just simple things as going for a walk seems like the biggest part of your week. But I feel like that's kind of a good thing now about, it's like an upside to lockdown, is people are more appreciative of each other now. Spending time with people, if that makes sense. Oh, I can't, it's too hot. It's too hot. How many degrees is it now? 28 degrees. It's 5:30 and it's 28 degrees. Oh my gosh. I'm not gonna be able to sleep tonight in this. Hello. He's got to meet my wrap. Can have a little bit. To the beach. No. Hello. Hi. Oh. Oh, you're biting my cardie.
Look. Yeah, look. Yeah. Hello.
Say bye, Bailey. So busy.
It's gonna take 3 hours.
It's huge.
We're gonna wrap on the big sausage. We have to go get it. Walking all the way with all this stuff.
It's necessary. Bailey!
I've not met the bike yet. Yeah. On holiday, like I walk out and like I went back and I'm like the heat to this. It's like I'm cold. Like yeah. It's not like now. I'm more like rather than kind of sit down. Yeah. I'm freezing at the moment.